Do you enjoy movies as much as I do? I love watching a great movie, whether it's a drama, a comedy, a historical piece, a documentary. I love going to the movie theaters. I love watching them at home. And a topic of great debate among lawyers is what's the best legal movie of all time. I think there's no question that it's the movie I'm about to tell you about, and I'm about to tell you about the trademark angle in that movie. Now, there's a lot of great legal dramas and thrillers. Primal Fear, an exceptional movie that I just watched again recently. If you've never seen that, I highly recommend it. But I'm particularly fond of comedies, especially because you can rewatch them easier multiple times. And my favorite legal comedy is My Cousin Vinny. Now, it's such a funny, great movie, the whole premise of it, right? And there's a lot of reasons I love it, but I'm going to talk today just about the iconic scene in the movie when Marissa Tomei is on the witness stand and she's being grilled by opposing counsel about the car tire marks, right? And if you recall this scene, she's getting grilled about the skid marks and a Chevy Bel Air that was involved in this alleged crime and incident. And she knows a lot about auto mechanics from having grown up in an auto shop, and she crushes the answer and solves the case basically by analyzing the timing belts of the various models of the cars. And here's where the trademark comes into play. They're talking about Chevy Bel Airs, classic cars from mid-20th century made by Chevy. And here's where we have the trademark angle. Chevy, of course, is a registered trademark owned by General Motors, and Bel Air was a registered trademark for many years owned by General Motors when they were producing the cars, and it still is a registered trademark to this day. General Motors has, I guess wisely, registered it for model cars. You could still buy one, a miniature one to display or to build or something like that of a Bel Air. And so that's also a clever way that they maintain trademark rights in the name Bel Air related to the auto industry. But coming back to the movie, right, they know specifically what type of car and what type of model and the timing belt and the resulting tire tracks from the skid out that they're talking about, because it's a Chevy Bel Air, and therefore trademarks, my opinion, are integral to one of the greatest scenes in the greatest legal movie, and that's why trademarks have a role in My Cousin Vinny. And if you have not seen it, or if you've not seen it in many, many years, I urge you to go watch it.